A planet, one filled with skyscrapers, Wi-Fi, music, and endless scrolling. Another
Check. Sorry for the technical problem. Tigers, the stage is yours.
two worlds on the same planet, one filled with skyscrapers, Wi-Fi, music, and endless scrolling. Another world where time barely moved for thousands of years. Not Sentinel Island, home to the isolated Sentinelese tribe. Not just miles apart, but worlds away. One rushing forward, one refusing to change. In the modern world lived a curious explorer named Shiva. While others spent their time scrolling through social media, Shiva spent years researching the mysterious Sentinelese tribe, studying maps and learning fragments of their language. His curiosity slowly turned into a daring plan to reach their island. One day, Shiva finally made his bold decision. Leaving the busy city behind, he packed his supplies and stepped onto a small boat. After years of research, at last, he sailed across the vast ocean towards the mysterious island he had dreamed about. Ahead of him waited a world no outsider had ever truly known. Watching the island, Shiva noticed something unusual, a tribesman alone near the shore, a rare and risky chance. In that moment, Shiva made a daring move, bringing the tribesman into a new world. What happens next? Let's find out. Two worlds on the same.
Sorry, sorry if I'm late. Please forgive me. You know, I was outside there. But still I can see those curious faces. Curious to watch the mission of mine. A mission which started as my dream. Wait. Am I missing something? Did I miss something? What did I miss? What did I miss? But usually I don't. Ah! Thank you. Greetings to you, ma'am. My dear friends, before I start, let me take the blessings of my great grandfather. Let me talk with our guest. Shall I open it? No? Okay. Yes? No? Come on, yeah. What happened? Where is he? Did he run away? Did you guys see him? Where is he? Where is he? You know what, guys? This beloved guest of ours has not eaten anything. I mean, nothing for the past 3 days. Come, let us give him something to eat. At least I can gain his trust. Give it. Take this. Oh, I just forgot. These sentinels prefer tender coconut more, you know. Come, let's give tender coconut. Thank you. Take this now. See, I told you right, they prefer tender coconut. Oh, sorry. You might be wondering, what is this hanky-panky language? Trust me, I'll make you understand. But let's get him out first. You come out. Come out. Come on, my dear friend, come out. Shh. I said come on. Come on. Oh, okay. What the another name? He's literally like, why am I here? Cool down, my friend. Let me put you onto the outside world. And also, its rich culture, history. But if I just explain it to you, it won't be enough, you know. So, instead, let me present you an enthralling dance from the very heart of the land of temples, Tamil Nadu. Karakattam, a traditional folklore performed in honor of the rain goddess Mariamman. Karyammans, are you ready? Let the show begin!
Karakattam is a lively folk dance from Tamil Nadu, performed in devotion to goddess Mariamman. Dancers balance decorated pots on their heads, showcasing grace, rhythm, and the vibrant spirit of Tamil culture.
வணக்கம் 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 அது ரொம்ப அற்புதமாக இருந்துச்சு. Wait, let me give this back. Come, take it. Wait. Take it. Now where is he? Oh, what Kusalolo? Oh, cool down, cool down. Cool down, please. See, he's so tense, I suppose. Wait. I see that spark in your eyes. You just saw the story of my past traditions in short. But the present world is moving forward, you know. And the people here are dreaming for the future. And sometimes these dreams are not spoken. They are sung. So now, let's hear a melody woven with hope, courage, and the powerful belief that the future truly belongs to us. So now, the stage comes alive with the voices that echo the dreams of tomorrow. The future is ours. Come. Okay, wait. Last time, he obeyed my words. Now, I'll obey him. Okay, coming. Oh, you're so hyped up, just by seeing my past and the present. What if I showed the present world? Full of ideas, inventions, and powerful technology. What, you want this? Okay, take it. Don't touch it. You know what, guys? This is a fascinating world, but also a complicated one. Because with every new invention, new questions arise. And sometimes the only way to understand this strange world of machines is not by hearing stories about them, but by watching them unfold through your own eyes. So now, let's dive into the digital reflection of our own world, where the technology meets the choices we make. Come, let's go. Shh, I said you come with me. Come. Come.
किसके भेजा चल दे धारिया रटमा
Hey everyone, I am Tisha, a student who only studies a day before exam. And tomorrow is my physics exam.
Hi, I'm Tanmay. In upcoming years, you will be seeing me in the front page of the Forbes magazine.
But knowledge principle states that for an idle fluid, but knowledge principle states that for an idle fluid in streamlined flow, the sum of potential energy, kinetic energy, pressure per unit volume remains
Yes,
constant.
yes, I got it right. Yes, thank God. I got it.
Why the hell are you shouting? You know, right? I have exams tomorrow, and that too physics exam.
Right, it's your exam, not mine.
You're always doomed inside the system, typing something nonsense. Either ways, you don't study. At least let me do it.
My study time is over. Now I am a graduate from NIT Surat. You know what? You don't belong to this generation. You would better suit in our great grandmother's era.
What? What do you mean?
Arey, come here. Let me show you something. After all, you are my dear sister. Let me help you out.
Enough of your drama, Anna. Tell me, what is it?
Yes, I am introducing you the Chat GPT.
So now, you are saying me that I should study with the help of this chat GPT AI made simple?
Exactly. In fact, it is the secret of my colorful grades, brief notes, and creative assignments.
Wait, Anna. First, to prove me that this chat GPT gives me authenticated and reliable information.
But wait, just now I successfully completed developing my own AI chatbot. Why don't you try with that?
Anna, did you complete your algorithms?
Yes, this is why I was screaming out of happiness.
Oh, okay then. Let me ask a question to you.
Here you go. I have named it Astra.
Okay, so hey Astra, can you please tell me how to cook without fire?
Hey, I'm Astra. Okay, here are the few ways to cook food without fire. 1. Cook with an electric stove. 2. Prepare instant noodles using hot water. 3. Prepare a salad.
Not bad, Anna. It's really good.
After all, who developed it?
Of course, you, Anna.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. We within 15 minutes. Not possible.
Papa!
Like that. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Papa, what happened to you? You look so tense.
I need to submit a PPT, but I have not started it yet.
Papa, why to fear when I am here? Let me help you. I have a solution. It's Canva. With this application, I can create a PPT in only 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Now I'm relaxed. Thank you so much, beta.
I'm done. Washing dishes is really a tiring task.
What happened, Ma?
Once you wash and sit, then you'll understand.
Ma, there is a solution for this too. You know, dishwashing machines are available, which are done with advanced technology. Put the used plates inside the machine and get the shiny clean utensils back.
Anna, you really know in and out of modern technology so well, huh? Okay then, we'll buy one for our house too. Let's go to bed, we're already late.
Good night, Ma. Good night, Pa.
Good night. Papa, I'm running late. You're already not ready.
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I am leaving.
Take the night. Come here.
Yes, Pa.
Why don't you take Trishal along with you and leave her to college on the way?
Papa, but
No, Trishal, come here. Go along with your brother. And we wish you good luck.
thank you. You little girl, be grateful to have such nice brother.
Anna, stop your melodrama with those flowery filmy dialogues, okay? We're already late now. Let's go.
Hop on now.
Anna, all the best for your campus selection.
Yeah, I got to go. You go now. Are you both here for the campus interview, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you please show me the way?
Go straight, then a left. And the intermediate room at your right is the interview room.
Thank you,
By the
sir.
way, all the best for interview, sir.
Thank you, sir. May I get in, sir?
Yes, get in.
Good morning, sir and ma'am.
Please take a seat.
Thank you, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Please give your resume.
Here you go, sir.
So, your resume says that you graduate in BTech from NIT Surathkal, a gold medal student. You also participated in various skill-based competitions and programs.
Yes, sir.
So, how much do you expect?
Excuse me, sir. Please don't get me wrong. I am not here to take your offer, but I am here to give your company an offer. What?
What he is talking about?
I have created an AI chatbot which can not only compete with big features like ChatGPT, Perplexity, DeepSeek, or Gemini, but also outsmart them.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. I have named it Astra.
Astra? Impressive, mister. See you again at RCB Group of Companies. And if you get approved by the chairman, we would offer you 50% of the shares.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I think I have slayed it.
I think he's good.
Yes.
It was a tired day for me.
Yes, it was for me too.
Hi, ma. Hi, pa.
Hey, Tanmay, what happened about your campus selection?
Ma, I'm tired. Can you please talk about it later? Let me freshen up first.
He looks tired. We all have come just now. You take rest. I'll get tea for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
After it, you came with your so-called tea.
Ma!
Not bad though. Hey, what's the news? It's all about technology.
Yes, ma, you are right. It is interesting.
Yes. For a techie like you, it will be always interesting.
In fact, we are lucky to live in this era of technological advancement. It is immensely useful for humans. It saves time and energy. The tasks which takes 5 hours to do can be just done in 5 minutes.
I'm home. Hey Anna, how was the campus selection today?
You know what? They have asked me to present Astra project in front of the chairman of RCB group of companies.
Really? It's great.
I'm so proud of you, my dear Tanmay.
Yes, Papa. This was possible because I was aware of technology and its users.
Technology can provide a beautiful life, but it can ruin also. Okay, now that all of us are here, it is the right time to show you all something. Randomly, I came through a short film based on a true incident. Here we go. Before we get to know what happened, first let us understand why it happened. What led to this situation? See, Arun, I'm done. You always misunderstand.
Why are you saying this all of a sudden?
Just this isn't working anymore.
No, Achira, please don't leave me.
You don't understand. Just leave me.
Achira, don't do this. You will regret it later. Achira! Achira!
They both moved on. But after 1 year, Arun re-entered Athira's life in a way she never imagined. What is this? What is this? Whom shall I tell? I'll call you Sanvi. What happened? Why are you crying? Don't cry. I am on the way, okay? Don't cry. What happened? Why are you crying? He posted my photos. People are commenting and sharing on it. Now even I'm scared to step out of my house. Nothing will happen. We will lodge a complaint against him at the police station. Even after filing a case, Arun continued to torture and bully Athira digitally. And after a week, something unexpected happened.
What happened, ma?
She was innocent. She was the victim, and people fought for her.
You really have a lot of guts.
He, cyberbullied the sister of an IAS officer, Mr. Ashish Das, who is a sub-collector.
Jen, is it the one who is responsible for my sister's death?
Yes, sir.
You are not spared. I will need justice for my sister. If this is the situation with my sister, then what would be the condition of common people?
Don't worry, sir. We'll take care.
Okay, then. I'm leaving.
That would have not happened.
It's not possible, ma. How? Just how?
Calm down. Don't need to panic. This is the truth. This is the reality of the darker side of the cyber security.
Yes, it is our responsibility to teach you. You must be aware of it so that you don't become one of those innocent victims.
Now I realize that on ground, I was not fully aware of technology, AI, and digital world.
Ma, but still I have a doubt. What will happen to those criminals? Will they just stand behind the scene and get away with it? No, not at all. The IT Act provides a strict legal framework under sections like 60, 60 and 67. Cyberbullies face heavy fines and years in prison.
Exactly. Cybersecurity is a shield that tracks them down, but it's digital ethics that must guide us to treat every human with respect.
Don't be afraid, the law is stronger than any other harasser. If you need help, dial 1930 and report it immediately. Remember, stay ethical,
Stay protected.
and never let internet take away your peace.
Thank you. Wasn't it? Oh, you didn't get it? Oh, you know what, guys? I'm really fed up of this translation, Please give me some ideas to get off this stress. Please, yeah. Oh, thank you. You know what? This is not just a mic, but this is also a translator. Whatever we say, he will understand. And whatever he says, we will also understand. Go on, try it. I said try it. You try it. Come on, try it. Wait. What are you? Oh, yeah. Here it is. Go on, try it.
You can understand my language.
Yes.
Your name is truly surprising. At first, I saw beautiful folk dance. Then I heard people singing about the dreams for the future. At last, I witnessed the tragedy of distant year. It is lost in the pixels. You know what? Why does everyone become so energetic when music starts?
So you observed that?
Yeah.
That's because music means celebration.
Interesting. In my island too, whenever we feel happy, we celebrate by dancing.
And both of our words has at least something in common, right?
Will I see more of it here?
Absolutely. Why not? In fact, I have some of my friends right here waiting for this very moment. And trust me, they are gonna come out and rock the stage. Come, let's see the stage on fire. Come.
मैंने तो तेरे नाम रखना
So here ends the show. Karyappans! Thank you.